Dulos was supposed to be in court today for an emergency bond hearing, but he never showed up. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live outside the New Haven office of the Dulos defense team. Matt?
Well, Dennis, you heard Mike just say it, that with lead defense attorney Norm Pattis out of state for another case, his associate co-counsel Kevin Smith, he was down in Stamford Superior Court waiting for Fotis Dulos to show up. So were many other members of the media. We were all there waiting for him to arrive when word broke out at the courthouse of that attempted suicide at his home in Farmington. Now, as for that emergency bond hearing that was supposed to take place today, it was over a technical issue, specifically looking at the security of the $6 million bond. Namely, the company backing the bond had concerns over the collateral that was put up. Now, it's important to note that if the bond package fell apart today, it was likely that Fotis Dulos would have been going back to prison while his case plays out. Now, the 52-year-old had been on house arrest since being arrested and charged with murder earlier this month in the case of his missing wife, Jennifer Dulos. She disappeared back in late May. Now, just last week, Dulos was in court where the judge revised his bail conditions, putting him on strict house arrest after he removed items from a memorial for his wife, the judge warning him that he was on thin ice. Today in Stamford, on his way out of court, attorney Kevin Smith didn't say much, but he was clearly shaken with the news that their client tried to kill himself.
Folks, there's really nothing to tell you at this point. When we do have some information, we'll share it. But at this point, there's really nothing I can share with you.
And this is quite a turn of events, because last week when they were at court where the bond restrictions were put in place, another thing that they did was the defense team waived his right to a probable cause hearing. They said they wanted to get forward and move towards a trial, looking for a trial, even hoping for a September trial date. We're live with the Mobile Newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.